Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Vince and I post on this channel every single week, mostly about options trading, but once in a while we'll get into stocks, into my long-term portfolio. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more about the stock market, a little bit more about trading options, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So if you guys have been watching the market this prior week, then you probably know that it was a pretty choppy market, but that does not mean that there is still not money to be made. Now, with the help of my Discord members, one of the guys called out a great call and some technical analysis on my side, I was able to take two trades this week, one on Home Depot and one on Spotify, both yielding me over 100%. So in today's video, guys, I want to go over those trades, show you guys the technical analysis that you can do on your charts to find these trades. Also, I'm going to go ahead and announce the thing that you guys have all been waiting for, the giveaway winner for the PS5 or the Xbox Series X. So what we'll do is we'll dive into the charts. I'll show you guys where I purchased and sold my contracts this week, and then I'll give you an insider's view on the Discord chat and some of the callouts that occurred this week. Now, unfortunately, the Discord is no longer a free membership. We hit 500 members in less than a week, which I'm extremely thankful for, but to make sure that we keep the high quality in the chat and that it doesn't become full of spam, like I'm sure some of you guys are aware if you're in some large Discord chats, I had to make it a paid membership. I want to make sure that we have people in there that are serious about learning. Now, we had some members this week pay their membership 5 to 10 years out with just a week of trading, so it's an extremely small amount to pay to get some really good value and really good community of traders. We do have some awesome features in the Discord, not only great traders that send out really quality callouts during the day, but also some automated bots that will send you guys news alerts, that will send you guys alerts when Trump or Elon Musk tweets, which can potentially move the market. So some really awesome features. If you guys want to join, the link is going to be down in the description below. Alright guys, so let's start off by going over some of the trades. So on the left side here, you have Home Depot, the hourly chart, and on the right side here, you have Spotify. I have the 1 minute up. So looking on the left side here at Home Depot, I was watching this stock on Monday. I was watching it fall into this previous support area. So you can see I drew this line here. It had support here and bounced. It gapped down here and fell back to this support area. Now, I called this out in the Discord. If I pull that up, that Home Depot is sitting at a strong support and not getting much love today. It wasn't really bouncing that day, and I was thinking that maybe it was a little bit of a delayed reaction. So I went ahead and I did take contracts that day. Now, it worked out perfectly. If I pull up the E-Trade, which is right here, you can see that I went ahead and I bought Home Depot contracts on the 15th. I bought two of them, the July 17th, 260 calls for $2.37. Now, I went ahead and I drew that line right here, and that's right around where it was. So you can see Home Depot perfectly bounced off of this support area and started to move higher. Now, I was starting to look to get out of this trade because of this gap down. Now, usually when stocks gap down, they tend to try to close that gap. And that's literally exactly what happened on Home Depot. You can see almost to the dollar amount, it moved up, went to the top of this gap, and then found some resistance. Now, I started to scale out of this trade when I started to get up around 50 to 100%. If I pull up the trades again, you can see that I sold the first contract of Home Depot here the next day. So on the 16th, I sold it for $4.85. And then I sold my last contract on the 17th, so 1 day later, and I sold it at $5.70. So altogether, it's about 120% gain on Home Depot. Now, if I go down to the 5-day 1 minute, we can sort of see better, what I was looking at during the day. So I'll sort of close this chart up here, and then I'll put on the after hours so you can get a better idea of where that was. So you can see that purchase Home Depot, perfect bounce here. I mean, literally perfect. If I put a circle around this, you can't really get much better than this. So you get a circle right here, right off that previous support area, bounces off of it. I went ahead and got into it right after I saw that support bounce, held it into the next day, huge gap up, started to trade sideways, got out of it here around this time, and then held the other contract one more day to just see if we continued some bullish momentum, and I went ahead and I closed it right here. Now, the reason why I continued to hold this is because at no point did Home Depot see any signs of bearish reversals. We did have this really strong panic sell, but not something that I was, worth getting out of. I was up significantly at that point, and I'm not going to sell these contracts on these panic sells. Now, if it started to make lower lows during that day, now that's a different story. But it bounced straight back up, and I held it through the day. So really great trade here on Home Depot. I alerted it in the Discord chat. Some other members got into this trade, Just a really clean technical analysis setup here on Home Depot. All right, guys, so the next trade is on Spotify. So looking here on the right side, we can see that this is the 1 minute chart for Spotify Wednesday and Thursday, where I bought and where I sold. If I pull up my trade confirmation, you can see that Spotify 6/17, which is Wednesday at 2:58 p.m., $3.01, sold that contract at $9.01 on the next day. So just about a 200% gain. Now, how did I find this trade? It was solely because of the Discord chat. So right around, I think it was 2:50, if I pull up the Discord here, Pocket, he's a great member, Spot to the moon, he just called it out right there. It started to get volume right after he called it out. I was watching it, and then I said, you know, it might keep moving, Spot looks good, and then right here I alerted that I jumped in. Now this alert was in real time when I jumped in, which was right here. So I jumped in Spot here, it continued higher. Over hours, Spot, they announced that Kim Kardashian was signed for Spotify podcasts. Spotify is signing people like crazy. They have Jim Rogan, now they have Kim Kardashian. So Spotify continued higher, opened the next day even higher, and I went ahead and I sold for 200%. Now I'm happy with that 200% gain, but if you were to look at Spotify contracts now, you would absolutely cry. So if I open this, we can see that I sold Spotify right here on this red line, and that day was an absolute monster of the day, and also today was pretty big as well. If I pull up the contracts, if I go to Spot, I had the July 2nd 220 calls. If I go to that now, it's now trading at $18 a contract. I sold this at $9 a contract. So some really big gains, a great call out by the Discord member. Right when the volume started surging, we got right into it. Some other members made some really big money on this trade, paying for their memberships. Just a really quality call out, and very thankful for some of the members in the Discord. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick overview of the 2 trades that I took this prior week, as well as some insight into the Discord chat. But now the moment that most of you have been waiting for, the PS5 giveaway or the Xbox Series X giveaway. So guys, if you're watching this, if you're the winner, make sure to respond to my email within 72 hours. If you do not, I'm going to have to pick another winner. Now, if you don't win, then you really hope that this person does not respond to my email. So let's go ahead, get right into it. This is the website, 1 prize left, draw winners. I'm gonna go ahead and press it right now. So draw winners. Winners to draw, one winner picked with 192 potential winners. Draw. All right, and the winner is Andy Gonzalez out of Denver, Colorado. Andy, if you're watching this, make sure to check the email you provided. You get to choose out of a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. Andy, if you're watching this, man, thank you so much for the support on the channel. Congratulations on your new PS5 or Xbox Series X. Just make sure to reply to my email. If you guys didn't win this one, this is one of many giveaways that will be on the channel, so make sure to stick around for some future giveaways. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed those trade reviews. Make sure to stay safe out there with the options market. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comments below. Make sure to smash the like button on this video. If you're interested in joining the Discord, the link will be down below as well. So guys, have a great rest of your weekend, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.